Such a stupid video. He was so
Well, that was fine, wasn't it? We all love a good assembly on a Monday morning, don't we?
Yeah, that was great, sir. What are we going to do now?
Well, I think it's time to have a go at some more maths questions. Well, what's the answer? Ah.
So many days. So many days.
Well then, that was fine. We all enjoy a good assembly on a Monday morning, don't we?
Yeah.
That was fine then. Nothing. You all enjoy having an assembly on a Monday morning, don't you?
Yeah, that was great. What are we going to do now, sir?
Have fun. Okay, right. Well, we'll do another maths sum, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Right then. What's the answer?
Charles sausage on you?
You stay! You stay!
All right, okay, stop that, class. Right, okay, well, let's carry on some more maths questions, shall we?
No.
Sir, can't we just do nothing? It's nearly lunchtime anyway.
Hey, but we won't win the comp then, will we? Will we?
Do not abbreviate, sir. You're embarrassing.
Oh, come on, don't be like that, class. Look, you've got just 2 more minutes to lunch, then you get a whole hour break. Yeah. Yeah.
Education.
Yeah. I think Easter's early next year, so we need to crack on now.
Oh my days. Action! Action!
Yeah.
You stay!
All right, okay, stop that. Right then. I'm sorry. I'm going to feed you the line.
2, 1.
Sir, can't we just do nothing? It's nearly lunchtime anyway.
But then we wouldn't win the comp, would we?
Do not abbreviate, sir. How embarrassing. Go. Action!
Take the phone. It's for you. But don't get close to getting caught.
Action!
Why?
It's in the toilet.
There we go. Right, tell me why.
Action!
Not just strip the night and make it rain on you like a window pane. Bands and make her dance till she make her come. Hit it from the side like a motherfucking bass drum. 2 paws on my fucking paw, 2 hoes on 1 fucking paw. So now what? I just turn to look at the camera. Or do I look that way?
Look that way. You go. And then you look shocked.
Right. Yeah, I pay bill.
Stay there.
Oh, can we totally reenact that?
That's what I was thinking. Just this over the seat with the 4 guys walking like that.
Do we have white jumpsuits?
No, but I'm sure nice and long.
Oh, they do have white overalls. No, like the thing we got to the
Recording? Shh. Just hang on, guys. Go.
Take the phone. It's for you, but don't get close to getting caught though.